Hi, it's Table Cubes, and today I'm going to do Rubik's Cube magic. I have this cube solver, where basically you put your scrambled cube in, and you take a solved one out. So you can also do this again, just you put it in, and take out nothing. Wait, it just, oh, that's right. It's still in the box, but solved. So you can scramble a cube as much as you want for the next one. And just put it in here and take out nothing. But this time, the box is empty. The cube is gone. So for the next trick that's right over here, then you can actually scramble this, as it's already scrambled here, but then you can just scramble it some more, throw it up, catch it, and watch it solve itself. So for the very last trick, you have this pyraminx and this box, and you can just put the pyraminx in here, close it up, so as you can see, it's like fully just closed up like that. But then you crumple it because it's gone. So those were the tricks that I had. If you want me to do a part 2 of this, then just comment or like the video. So for this one, you just scramble the cube as much as you want, as I already have here. So literally, I'm just gonna throw it up. There's no